Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Can we talk about something that's been bugging me for ages? Most short women get jeans wrong, and I don't want you to be one of them. I see so many stunning women missing out on the most flattering jean styles that could make them look absolutely incredible. Today I'm sharing the best jean styles for women under 5 feet 4 inches. And wait until you see the pair that gives you instant Audrey Hepburn chic. These aren't just styling tips, they're total game changers that will make you look taller, leaner, and so much more polished. Shall we start? 1. High-rise straight-leg jeans. Ladies, let me tell you about the holy grail of jeans for petite women. High-rise straight-leg jeans. These beauties are absolute magic for creating the illusion of longer legs. The high waist elongates your legs by lifting your waistline higher, while the clean, straight cut keeps your proportions perfectly balanced. No weird tapering or flaring that can overwhelm your frame, just clean, classic lines that work with your body. The best part? They work with everything. Flats, loafers, low heels, you name it. Tuck in a fitted top and you've got that gorgeous long line from chest to feet that makes you look effortlessly tall and put together. Look for styles that hit right at your natural waist or just above. The straight leg creates this beautiful column effect that's incredibly flattering on petite frames. Trust me, once you try this style, you'll wonder why you waited so long. 2. Cropped slim jeans, above the ankle. This style is pure genius for short women. Cropped slim jeans that hit right above your ankle bone are like instant leg lengtheners without any tailoring needed. The magic happens because the hem stops right above your ankle bone, creating this perfect proportioned look that avoids the dreaded puddled effect you get with too long jeans. No more excess fabric bunching around your feet. These are absolutely perfect for showing off chic shoes. Think nude flats, pointed toe pumps, or those gorgeous ankle boots you've been wanting to wear. The cropped length gives you that intentional, polished look that screams, "I know what I'm doing with fashion." The slim fit through the leg keeps everything sleek and streamlined, while the shorter length ensures perfect proportions every single time. It's like having jeans custom-made for your height. 3. Dark wash boot cut, or kick flare jeans. Don't sleep on this style, beautiful. Dark wash boot cut or kick flare jeans are incredible for creating that subtle flare that balances your proportions without overwhelming your petite frame. The dark wash is naturally slimming and creates this gorgeous streamlined effect from waist to hem. Meanwhile, that subtle flare starting from the knee balances everything out beautifully, especially if you're curvier through the hips. Here's the secret. They're best when worn with a heel or wedge for extra height. The slight flare gives you room for boots or heels while maintaining that elongated silhouette we're all after. The key is subtle flare. We're not talking full-on bell-bottoms here. Just enough movement to create visual interest and balance while keeping you looking tall and lean. Perfect for when you want something more interesting than straight leg, but not as dramatic as wide leg. By the way, if you're loving these tips so far, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I've got so many more secrets to share with you. 4. Petite length skinny or slim straight jeans. These are your layering superstars. Fitted but not overly tight, petite length skinny or slim straight jeans are perfect for those times when you want to wear blazers, tunics, or longer tops. The beauty is in the fit. Snug enough to look intentional under other pieces, but not so tight that you feel restricted. No extra fabric bunching at the ankle. Because they're made specifically for your proportions, these are absolutely ideal for fall and winter layering with ankle boots. The fitted leg tucks perfectly into boots without any bulk or awkward bunching around your ankles. Whether you choose skinny or slim straight depends on your preference, but both styles give you that clean, polished foundation that works under longer layers while maintaining your proportions beautifully. 5. Tailored wide leg jeans with a defined waist. Yes, petite women can absolutely rock wide leg jeans. The secret is all in the tailoring and proportions. Wide legs can work if they're just right. high-waisted with the hem grazing your shoes. The wide leg creates this gorgeous column of fabric that actually gives you instant height when done correctly. The key is pairing them with fitted tops and always tucking everything in to define your waist. Add a heel or platform shoe to give yourself extra height and balance out that wider leg beautifully. You want to avoid anything too overwhelming in width. Think wide but not palazzo pant wide. The leg should start widening from the knee down, and that high-waisted, defined waist is absolutely essential for maintaining your proportions. 6. Cigarette jeans. Classic Audrey Hepburn cut. Oh my goodness, this timeless style is absolutely chic. Cigarette jeans are slim, straight, and ankle length, basically the epitome of effortless elegance. They skim your body without being too tight, creating that perfect polished look that works with ballet flats, loafers, or kitten heels. The ankle length is naturally proportioned for shorter frames. This classic Audrey Hepburn-inspired cut is sophisticated and refined. Perfect for when you want to look put together but still comfortable. They have this wonderful way of making you look taller and more elegant. The slim straight cut through the leg creates clean lines, while the ankle length shows just enough skin to elongate your legs. It's classic, it's chic, and it works on virtually every petite body type. 7. White jeans. White denim is absolutely magical for short women. Here's why you need them in your wardrobe. White jeans feel fresh, elegant, and perfect for spring and summer styling. On shorter women, white acts as a blank canvas that reflects light and elongates your legs when paired with the right shoes. Here's my styling secret. Go for slim straight or ankle crop styles and avoid super wide, heavy white denim that can look overwhelming. You want that clean, fresh look that makes you appear taller and more put together. Try styling them monochromatically with other white or light pieces for maximum elongation. White jeans give you instant quiet luxury vibes and can be styled from casual to dressy, depending on what you pair them with. 8. Black jeans. Black jeans are seriously the secret weapon every petite woman should have. Black is naturally slimming, timeless, and creates this gorgeous long lean line that's especially flattering for shorter frames. Choose a fitted or straight cut and avoid heavy faded washes that can break up your leg line. You want that smooth, continuous colour from waist to hem for maximum lengthening effect. Here's what makes black jeans so perfect. They're incredibly versatile for evening elegance. Dress them up with a blazer or silky blouse and you instantly look polished and taller. Black jeans are honestly a petite woman's secret weapon for looking sophisticated and elongated. They work for everything from casual days to dressy evenings, and they always make you look like you've got your style completely figured out. 9. Raw hem straight jeans. This trendy style is absolutely perfect for petite women. Raw hem straight jeans give you that effortlessly cool, lived-in look while being incredibly flattering for shorter frames. The raw, unfinished hem eliminates the need for perfect hemming. It's supposed to look slightly undone. This means you can buy regular length jeans and simply cut them to your perfect length for an instant on-trend look. The straight leg keeps everything clean and proportioned, while the raw hem adds that modern edgy touch that feels current and stylish. It's like having custom-hemmed jeans without the tailor. Pair them with ankle boots or pointed-toe flats, and you've got this perfectly imperfect look that's so chic. The frayed edge adds texture and interest, while maintaining those clean lines that make you look taller. Now, let's be clear. This isn't the most elegant look out there. It leans more toward casual and trendy. But that's exactly the point. When you pair them with ankle boots or pointed-toe flats, you get this perfectly imperfect vibe that feels fashion-forward without trying too hard. The frayed edge adds texture and interest, while still maintaining those clean lines that make you look taller. And there you have it, the 9 best jean styles that will make you look absolutely incredible. When you choose jeans that work with your petite proportions instead of against them, the difference is honestly amazing. You'll look taller, more confident, and so much more polished. Which one is your favourite? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your styling discoveries. And if this video helped you see jeans in a whole new way, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'm here every week with more styling tips that will help you look and feel absolutely amazing, no matter your height. Remember, being petite is about knowing the right styles to look absolutely stunning. You've got this. Until next time, take care and stay confident.